Let's play Pick the Word. Sports vocabulary. Let's play. Baseball. I have a glove and a new baseball. Skating. The boy is skating on the sidewalk. Throw. Patrick can throw the ball very far. Helmet. Football players wear helmets. Tennis. Jenny practices tennis every day. Basketball. The basketball game is very exciting. Boxing. Tonight is the boxing match. Net. There are volleyball nets at the beach. Coach.
Let's go, team!
The coach is giving a pep talk. Bowling. On Friday nights, Erica goes bowling. Soccer. Soccer is popular all over the world. Stadium. The stadium is full for the match. Let's review. Baseball. Skating. To throw. Helmet. Tennis. Basketball. Boxing. Net. Coach. Bowling. Soccer. Stadium. Thanks for playing. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out some of our other videos.